All right, Agent Sterling. We've got 4 POWERCELL platforms at the plant ready to connect. Get your eyes on the IND700. We needed to complete this weighing system.
They say precision is key. Knock, knock. Okay. What do you have for me this time?
So, this will deactivate the security lasers and unlock the doors to the gallery. Now, it has a 300-foot range, but you have to go through the front door. And please, handle with care, Agent Sterling.
Thank you.
Impressive, Agent Sterling, but not this time.
Precision always wins.